give a round of applause for the winner of this category.
Congratulations. Well deserved, ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause. Pinaka, ladies and gentlemen, our next 6th prestigious award for this evening is the Best Business Person of the Year Award. This award recognizes and celebrates an exceptional leader at the helm of an SME, a visionary who blends strategy with heart and resilience with results. The Best SME Business Person of the Year isn't just running a business, of course, they're redefining leadership at its finest. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the nominees. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is, for the Best Business Person of the Year is Arnayandra. It is Resonance Fiji Limited.
Satarnandra, my name is Apukuki Waisavu Nalawa. I hail from the beautiful province of Ra, Watukoloko, the village of Ndraunivi, and I am the managing director of Nalawa Holdings with its subsidiaries Resonance Entertainment, Resonance Media, Yanra Fiji, and Inside Out. I am really proud as a musician and as an artist to fulfill one of our goals and our visions of creating a platform for fellow artists and fellow musicians to take music and apply it not only as a passion, but as a career. We pride ourselves in employing 20 plus artists, and we have a total staff roll of 40, and still a small growing business. But I'm really proud to have a really formidable team that we've put together, and we are really making an impact in the music industry as well as the community with the music that we've been producing and also the job opportunities that we've been creating. I just want to say a big Naiqama to FDB for recognizing SMEs through the National SME Awards. We as a team are truly honored to be nominated, and we wish all the fellow nominees all the best. And once again, thank you so much, FDB.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We invite to the stage the representative from FMF EV and of course the board director of Fiji Development Bank, Ms. Emmeline Duitu Turanga, to please join us on stage to award our winners this evening. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, while they're making their way to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, keep those hands rolling as we welcome the winner of the Best Business Person 2025, Resonance Entertainment.
Another round of applause for Ms. Sateva Lendua, who is accepting the award on behalf of
Congratulations.
Cookie.
From tonight I wanna make you mine. Singani kanibe wali Kalina nongo kambani Aumbolea tunakina idola dola Wakatangara maybe yombe udolata Because I'm ready, ready. Whoa, when I wanna see my future I look right into your brown eyes.
Naka, another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, if you just join us via the Fiji government Facebook page, Mbulubinaka, where we just crowned the Best Business Person of the Year award. And of course, that is our 6th award this evening.
But now moving to our 7th prestigious award for this evening, which is the Best Cooperative SME of the Year award. This award recognizes a cooperative formally registered with a cooperative unit under the Ministry of Trade, Cooperatives, SMEs, and Communication that has proven that the power of unity in enterprise is built on shared values, collective ownership, and community-driven impact. This cooperative turns collaboration into competitive advantage, proving that success grows better and stronger when it's shared. The Best Cooperative SME of the Year is not about just building a business.
Absolutely.
It's about building a movement. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the nominees. Ladies and gentlemen, the Best Cooperative SME of the Year award goes to congratulations, Lavena Coastal Walk Ecotourism Cooperative
My name
Limited.
is Simeone Remu. I am from Lavena Village and I am the chairman of Lavena Coastal Walk Ecotourism Cooperative Limited. I apply for the SME award because it can recognize our coastal walk throughout Fiji and throughout the world. I'm proud of our coastal walk because it helps everybody in the village and everybody had a say for our businesses. It's not for only one Matangali or Yavusa or Toka Toka, it's for the whole village. Thank you very much, FDB, for celebrating and recognizing Fiji's SMEs through the National SME Award.
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We'd now like to invite to the stage a Daytech Fiji Pte Limited rep and the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Information, Ms. Eseta Nanda Tavuki, to award the winner of Best Emerging Entrepreneur SME of the Year.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as they make their way to the stage. Keep those hands rolling in, ladies and gentlemen, for our winner of Best Cooperative SME of the Year. Congratulations.
I have to say, I love his shirt.
That's a cool shirt.
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, to our second last prestigious award for this evening is the Maritime SME of the Year award. This award honors an SME that's leading the way in proving that profitability and sustainability go hand in hand. Through responsible stewardship such as prudent waste management, recycling, and a commitment to future generations, this business is creating value that transcends the bottom line, nurturing the planet, and of course, empowering communities and inspiring change. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the nominees. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is the Lalabalavu Farm and Egg, the Lalabalavu Farm Fresh Eggs. My apologies. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, my name is Chris Wilder. I'm the owner of the Lalabalavu Farm Fresh. We are a local agricultural business based here in Tabuni, and we specialize in local fresh eggs and manufacture of poultry and livestock feed. Our mission is to provide reliable, affordable and high quality products to farmers, businesses and families here in Maritime Island. We have actually improved the access to local fresh eggs as well as livestock feeds here in Tabuni. So basically this category represents how we overcome our challenges and how we contribute to food security here in Fiji. Thank you FDB for celebrating and recognizing Fiji's SMEs through the National SME Awards.
Another round of
applause, ladies and gentlemen. I will invite to the stage a representative from Telecom Fiji Limited and of course Mr. Naimbuka from Fiji National Provident Fund to please join us on stage to award our winners this evening. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, keep those hands rolling in as we welcome our award presentation and of course our winners this evening.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we announce the main winner tonight, we wish to publicly extend our heartfelt gratitude to our support partners, the champions behind the scenes, whose unwavering support makes celebrations like this possible. Tonight's success is much as yours as it is to the awardees. Thank you for powering their journey forward. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be announcing our support partners, and of course we will request that each representatives from our support partners to please join us on stage as we of course hand out the certificate of appreciation. So to do that, ladies and gentlemen, I will invite the Chief Investment Officer of the Fiji Development Bank, Mr. Isikeli Vuki Komoala. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Once we announce the representatives from our support partners, if you can remain on stage for a group photo shoot thereafter.
We'd like to invite a representative from the Ministry of Commerce and Business Development.
Once again, from the Ministry of Commerce and Business Development. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Before we announce the second support partner, ladies and gentlemen, if we can have the Ministry of Commerce and Business Development back on stage, we will wait for a group photo shoot and then we'll of course allow and give your evening back.
Next, we'd like to thank the Reserve Bank of Fiji.
Keep those hands rolling in for Telecom Fiji Limited.
Next, we'd like to invite to the stage Vodafone Fiji Limited. Tower Insurance. Daytech. New India Assurance. And finally, FMF EV. Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our sponsors.
Vinaka, ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause to our support partners. Ministry of Commerce and Business Development, the Reserve Bank of Fiji, Telecom Fiji Limited, Vodafone Fiji Limited, Tower Insurance, Daytech, New India Assurance, and of course, FMF EV. Now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we'd also like to we would like to give out certificate of appreciation to our judges, our panel of judges. We will invite to the stage the Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Sayad Qayyum, to please join us on the stage to, of course, award and hand out certificate of appreciation to our panel of judges. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Firstly, we'd like to acknowledge Miss Lorraine Sito, Managing Director of SBBD Fiji. Next, we'd like to call upon Ms. June Nanivalu, the CEO of Fiji Crop and Livestock Council. Next, sorry, she's not here at the moment, but next is Mr. Nisalandaya, the Head of Regional and Trade Development from Investment Fiji.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Esala is unable to join us this evening. Of course, we would like to acknowledge him as well. We will move on to the next judge.
Mr. Sakiusa Nambo, who is the Senior Analyst Financial System Development from the Reserve Bank of Fiji.
Vinaka, and round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
And finally, we'd like to invite Mr. Vio Veratini, Principal Economic Officer of Project and Budget from the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways.
Vinaka, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Vere Tawatini is also unable to join us this evening, but of course, we would love to acknowledge him and his contribution as well. And if we can ask the Chief Financial Officer to please remain on the stage for our next certificate of recognition. And of course, this is awarded to our event management team. That is, of course, Web Media. We welcome the directors, Mr. Manish Mishra and Steve Reed.
A round of applause for our work partners.
Vinaka, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir.
A wonderful night we're having here so far. I'm so excited, Wise, because this is the final category.
Absolutely. I'm excited. Who's going to walk away with a massive $10,000, a certificate of recognition, and of course, a custom-made trophy? I'm excited.
Totally excited. And this award is the 9th and final prestigious award for this evening, the National SME of the Year Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, this award represents the highest honor, recognizing an SME that exemplifies excellence across dimensions of business that has a high likelihood of being a corporate business in the next 12 to 24 months.
With innovation in its core and impact in its community, as well as resilience in its journey, this enterprise has not only grown, it has led. It stands as a benchmark of what's possible when vision meets execution and passion meets purpose.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're excited to jointly announce the winner. Are we ready?
Are we ready?
Drum roll, Fiji band. Right, let's do this. The National SME of the Year Award is
the House of Salt.
Really good pronunciation. To present this award, ladies and gentlemen, we'll invite the chief guest, His Excellency the President of Fiji, to the stage, and of course the Chief Executive Officer of the Fiji Development Bank, Mr. Philemone Wangampatha. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause to our National SME Award winner 2025.
I think this gentleman deserves higher praise, so another round of applause and some cheers, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching the end of the formalities for this evening. Before we move on to the final speaker for this evening, a courtesy reminder to our winners, sponsors, that we will be having a group photo immediately after this closing performance for the evening. And also, don't be afraid if media approaches you for some interviews.
Pinaka, ladies and gentlemen, as we of course come to a close of a memorable evening, it is of course my pleasure to invite the Chief Risk Officer of the Fiji Development Bank, Ms. Titilia Vakaotha-Camille, to the podium to deliver the vote of thanks. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
His Excellency the President, na Turangambale to the cow, Madam First Lady, the Minister for Finance, Commerce and Business Development, Honorable Esrom Emmanuel, Permanent Secretaries, the representative of the Reserve Bank of Fiji, distinguished guests, FDB Board of Directors, management and staff, our FDB 2025 National SME Awards nominees and winners, development and support partners, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening again. On behalf of the bank, it gives me great pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks. Tonight has been far more than an awards ceremony. It has been a celebration of ambition, resilience, innovation, and determination. It is a reminder that every successful enterprise is an individual, a family, or a team who dared to dream, embrace challenges, and work tirelessly to transform opportunities to success. Firstly, I extend our sincere appreciation to our chief guest, His Excellency the President, Naturangambal Natui the Cow, and Madam First Lady, for gracing this occasion, Pinakapakalevu for accepting our invitation. To all our guests here tonight, thank you for joining us as we pay homage to our hardworking SMEs for their contribution to Fiji's development. Ladies and gentlemen, the application drive for the FDB 2025 National SME Awards was launched this year on the 1st of May by the Reserve Bank of Fiji Deputy Governor, Mr. Salamas Tembua. The application drive closed on 14th of June with more than 300 entries. I believe 305 was a tally. The award process involved rigorous screening, eligibility assessment, and independent judging to ensure fairness, transparency, and credibility. From hundreds of applications, 3 finalists were shortlisted for each category, with the independent judging panel selecting the final winners. While only one winner is recognized tonight, every applicant should be proud that their achievements were acknowledged and celebrated through this competitive process. We thank our esteemed judges for their independent assessments. To our valued sponsors and partners, your partnership has made tonight possible, and your support continued to strengthen the SME ecosystem across Fiji. The bank is proud to share common goals and values with our award sponsors and support partners. We greatly appreciate your commitment and your contribution. Once again, thank you. And now to all our winners, congratulations. To all the nominees, thank you for submitting your applications and keep striving for excellence in this ever-changing business environment. To our guests, thank you for submitting your To our guests, we hope that you enjoy this evening, and we look forward to hosting you once again for the FDB 2026 National SME Awards. Finally, to our Board of Directors, thank you for your leadership. To the management and the staff of the bank, thank you for your unwavering support, commitment, and dedication in delivering another successful award. Enjoy the remainder of the evening. Nakabakaleb Sara, and good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Our chief guest, His Excellency, Madam First Lady. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of course, our formalities and, of course, the awards night for this evening. It has been a remarkable journey, and, of course, ladies and gentlemen, you have been a fantastic audience, and, of course, our viewers who are joining us online, Lalabalavu, thank you so very much for your evening. And, of course, again, ladies and gentlemen, we cannot thank you enough for availing yourself this evening, and once again, congratulations to all our winners.
But yes, wrapping up the formalities for tonight, I was your co-MC, Rowena Ackerman.
And I'm Wais Tawatilangi, and of course it's been an absolute pleasure to host you this evening. And of course I've got a friendly reminder, if you're going to be drinking tonight, please don't drive, and if you're going to be driving, please do not drink. That's it from us. Good evening.